Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. This is going to conclude the end of Free Watch Face Tuesday. I'm hoping that you're going to enjoy this watch face as much as I do. And with that being said, welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and let's check out this awesome watch face that's free in the Gear Manager store. Now, this watch face has a long name. I'm just gonna throw a part of it up at the top, and I'll put the full name in the description down below so you guys can go check out this free watch face. Now, this watch face is awesome and always on mode. You're pretty much gonna get the same look. It's gonna dim this down quite a bit, but when the watch face is on, it is a good look. I'm liking it, and it is an analog watch face. So if you see the bigger dot, that's going to be your hour. This is going to be your minute hand. And of course, you can see the second hand going around the inside of the watch. And you do get a digital time. Also, you get your heart rate and your steps. And it is interactive. So all you got to do is simply tap on it if you want to go in and get more of your status. And I thought that was a really, really good look for this watch face. Simple, but yet colorful. And if I tap on the 46, I can change the color of the watch face. That's my favorite right there. And keep tapping. You get like 6 in all that you can cycle through to customize or color coordinate, or just pick your favorite color. I thought this was definitely a great look. Now, this is going to be your battery percentage right there. You see the red lines on this side. It's going to be your step goal completed. And I thought this was, again, really a good look. But the question is, at the end of the day, is it a good look for you to download this free watch face? All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.